Please do not enter. Well, I think we're gonna enter anyway.
Once upon a time in a land far, far away, you guys know I bought a house with a room so boring I just wanted to die. But since I'm insane, the boring old bedroom is being turned into a princess ballroom. And of course, a fairy tale library. So cue my Pinterest dream boards, the full Beauty and the Beast vibe shebang is officially on. And of course, as with any good fairy tale, I'm filming it.
What's up, guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. This is like the only mirror that's not completely covered in the house. So I don't know where to even start filming except here. So hi, guys.
So you guys remember the ballroom before? This is what it looked like. Obviously, I've done a couple of other minor renovations, but this is what it looks like now.
Okay, so all of the plastic right now is kind of like giving murder scene, but you know, all covered up because we're gonna be doing some heavy lifting in here. So are you ready? Let's get to it. I don't know if I even showed you guys, but the floor sucks. It is like, I mean, it was kind of destroyed when I got it, but I like extra destroyed it. So it needs some hella assistance because this is not good. All right, guys, we got the sanding machine in the house. So we got this thing, we're gonna grind it into little bits. Look at this, like little sandpapering sandy things. Woo! So helpful. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do it. The end.
Whoa, look at this. This is crazy. It's literally getting all smushed up in there.
Everything is always so loud. There's literally dust in my nose. But what a view. Oh God, you can still hear it coming through there. Look, you guys, it was a sandstorm in here. Oh my gosh, there is crusty. Wow, my floor is literally ground up to bits. Wow, it looks good. Look at this, guys. Do you see? That was how it was, and now it's like this, and this is not even done. That's crazy. Dun, ta-da! Oh my gosh, look at this. Ooh. First of all, the view out of this room, oh, wow. But also, look at this. Now the floor is basically, you can kind of see, I guess, from this direction. Look at that. The floor is like the same color as the walls. Oh, yay! Okay, so we're gonna meet with the painter tomorrow to figure out what color to paint this. So. The drama. What's up? Oh, this is content right here. Would you like to introduce yourself?
My name is Ryan Palastro. We're gonna make some crazy shit happen here.
Oh, hell yeah.
The ballroom is happening.
Woo! Oh, hi guys. Wow, my skin looks amazing considering I just got back from Palm Springs. I don't have any eyebrows on, but anyways, you don't care. The ballroom, woohoo! So yeah, we're doing part 2. Like I said, we're painting it. He is going to do, like he said, some crazy shit. So, it's gonna be good.
So you can see he's painted a bunch of samples for me. There's too many choices. It's stressing me out, but we'll look at them in the ballroom.
Also, my outfit of the day. I look so crazy all the time. It works. This is the artistic people, all right? This is so funny. See, guys, check it out. We got, oh, interesting. On camera, that one looks the best. The farthest one. Wow. Yeah, that one looks like, on this camera, that one looks by far and above the best, but guys, off camera, I actually already picked this one, so sorry, there's like, that just is what it is. But you can see, look how cool. So basically, we're gonna match the walls to the floors. It's gonna be like a crisscrossy design like Versailles. It's gonna be so stinking cool. Wow, look at them all.
You know, kind of like my bad Photoshop. So while he paints that, I am going to go up to Pearlworks for some ceiling decor.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Like, how would this be for the ballroom ceiling? Oh my gosh, this would be amazing. Okay, so basically, today I need some like medallions for the ceilings. I wanna like figure out what I'm doing with the ceilings in the ballroom. That's like the main shtick of the day. So, here's some ideas. Also, if I look crazy, it's because I just got Botox. So like, that's why I can't really move my face. T. Okay, anyways. Ooh, see? Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, oh my gosh, we could make some crazy doors and, oh no, there's too many choices of stuff to do. But again, we're looking at the ceiling. So let's check out the ceilings. Even just something maybe like this, like some kind of design. Obviously I'll have like a big chandelier in the center, but oh, there's just endless ideas in here. Y'all know I definitely want it to be really fancy though. That's like the #1 thing. Like this is pretty. This is kind of the light colored wood that I was thinking, like something like this. Like imagine dancing under the ballroom ceiling like this. I could have them install a boyfriend for me. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna go in and look at the actual parts because believe it or not, we're gonna pick out all the stuff. So here we go. Hi. Take me to the cool stuff. All right, show me the goods. Okay, so we gotta get something to like put the chandelier's ceiling medallion type thingies. And as always, there's too many choices. But you have some choices for me, right?
Hello. Yes.
Like we got all these random chunks. We could put the chandelier dangling from here. Oh, nuts. Oh, like we could do this around the chandelier, maybe with some swirly twirlies. Do you have any swirly twirlies?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Let's go and get it.
Ow. Okay, so look at this. We got some swirly. Is it the small swirlies or the big swirlies?
The big one.
We're gonna play with some swirly twirlies. I should bring George. Okay, so let's see. Where did I put that? I just left it on the floor randomly. Aha! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Like, see, the chandelier will be in here. Maybe we can put some like swirlies. I mean, this is. Ooh, hello, interior decorator. I'm so good at this.
Yeah, it's really good. So, I think let's play with this.
Okay, yeah, make it look nice. Oh yeah, we could do something cool. Yeah. Ooh, God, this is so fun. It's like art. And then we can put one of these right there. No. Oh, see, you can just do so much. This is so fun. Wow, gorgeous. All right, it's bright and early, but check it out. We have put up a little bit of the ceiling moldings. This one is a little more done. Ta-da! Oh, it's beautiful. This is gonna be so good, you guys. So I actually was thinking of, like I said, I was gonna put a piano here. Okay, so I really want to get a piano for the ballroom. Yes, another one. I want to get like a dark woodeny one. So we're gonna see if they got any. Oh my goodness, look at all the pianos. So I want to get something kind of like this, but not like this. I want like a wooden one. This is shiny. More like that color, but even more lighter. Talent. This is what I really want. Something like this, like an Art Deco-y piano. Oh my God, this one is gorgeous. This is a Steinway. This is beautiful. This one's sold though, but oh my gosh, like look at the inside. I want one with the like swirly twirlies and look at the bottom. Oh, yeah, something like this for show. Oh, I just love pianos. It's literally my dream to marry a pianist. My biggest secret fantasy is like Mozart or Bach or like a literal composer. I would love to have one like this too, but again, this one I think is like $100,000, so I'm gonna have to pass on this. Man, I want the one that's sold. Oh my gosh, this is the piano that I bought for the main room. Mine is white, but look at how beautiful the cursive, and this is all swirly twirly and the gold. It's gonna be freaking beautiful, but I actually never saw it in person because I bought that online. So great to see it IRL. That is fabulous. Yes, but what we're looking for right now, back to the wood ones. I don't know, I might have to table this and come back to this. I don't know. Okay, if anyone sees a piano like this, y'all let me know. All right, guys, so we are at the Long Beach Flea Market. It's behind me. It is literally 8 a.m. I love this place. I try to come every month. It's only like once a month, but anyways, yeah, we're gonna see what kind of treasures we can find. There's always something. Dun, 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 dun. So many people, so much fun stuff. Like I love frames like this. Let's see what, oh my gosh, they even have random bed frames. Okay, let's see what kind of trinkets we got. Oh, like see, frames like this would be so gorgeous. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. It's super gorgeous. This is actually really gorgeous too. This like is beautiful. There I am. This is a pretty book. Look at that. Ooh, like look at that one's really pretty. Look at all of these. Whoa. Hi. You want to do a haul? Beep beep. Okay, ignore the creepy lady, but I got this super cute little picture frame. I know this doesn't really make sense for the ballroom. I obviously need something way bigger to like actually put it on the walls, but it's just so small and cute. I love it. Something that makes more sense, I got the books. This one is just so pretty. Look at the cover. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Like I said, I collect them specifically based on titles, so I love the idea of days off, you know, relaxing. And then I got this one. This is just a gorgeous version of Anna Karenina. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, beautiful. There's illustrations in here. It's just gorgeous. So got that. And then this also has nothing really to do with the ballroom, but look at how beautiful this little treasure chest is. Like, it's just so beautiful. I'm actually just using it to store my jewelry right now, but you know, so that might actually just go in my bedroom, but you know. But now, speaking of jewelry, jade heart necklace is back in stock. And the radiant rings are officially back. So excited. You guys have been begging me to bring those back. So those are back. We have all the sizes live on the website, as well as, of course, the emerald ring and all sorts of other good shenanigans. The but what if it does necklaces. So thanks for shopping again, truly from the bottom of my heart. Decorating the ballroom wouldn't be possible without you. So thank you. Oh, also, I did decide I'm gonna put the harp in there. So my gorgeous, beautiful harp is going to go in the corner of the ballroom right here. That's just gonna be so beautiful. Oh, I love this harp. So freaking extra. By the way, if we pop back over to the ballroom really quick, I don't remember if I showed you guys these or not, but oh my gosh, I have these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous sconces that I'm going to replace these sconces with because these are just the most beautiful things I ever saw. They're like hella dusty right now, but they are going to be so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at them even just sitting on the floor. Oh, I'm so excited to hang those. And also, speaking of lighting, by the way, quick field trip to the chandelier store. I've been kind of hiding these from you guys and I haven't like officially shown them, but here they are. I figured it was time. Lots of pretty chandeliers, but none of them compare to mine. Dun, 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 oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. Oh. Ow. It's literally humongous, by the way. See how small? Like, look at the crystals. I literally handpicked all of them. Like, told them exactly what to do. Oh, it's just... It's fantastic. Oh my gosh. And then this is the other little guy. They're gonna match. Oh, fantastic. It's gonna look something kind of like that. But anyways, back to the floors. Dun, dun, dun. You can see they're kind of covered up right now because they've all been sanded, but it is time to get to staining them. All right, guys, we have to take our shoes off for this. Also, I'm wearing pants, how crazy. But look, we are doing some measuring for the floor. So it's gonna be oh my gosh, look at how cute this is gonna be. I'm actually gonna go to the mall and do another video, but good luck with the math.
You know that, I'm gonna tell you, Amber, that the thing is, I mean, obviously you're super cool and everything, but I mean, the amazing thing about you, unlike most people in LA and in the world right now, you're super fucking positive.
Oh,
you know what I mean? Not to toot your horn, but like, everybody's like, oh, I don't like this, I like this. It's like, man, check this shit out, it's cool, it's all good. It's like, you know.
Aww. Guys, I totally paid him to say that. Not kidding.
You were filming me? No, but honestly, like,
thanks.
It's a sweetheart.
Okay, so the floors still need to be like glazed, but dun, dun, oh my gosh, look how beautiful the floors look. Oh my gosh, this is just gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be so pretty. Anyways, we can't really go in any more than this portal because they still have to finish glazing the floors and all that shenanigan, but I'll see you for the grand reveal soon. Yay! Like, comment, subscribe to see that. Anywho's, I love you. Kisses till next time. XO. Ah, yes, the lap of luxury. I can't wait till it's actually done.